Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The amp's power and speaker impedance must match, and the room circuit should handle the load. Next, place the amp on a ventilated, stable surface to prevent overheating. Once done, route cables so they don't cross power lines. This reduces hum. Now attach speaker wires to the correct terminals, observing polarity. Then connect your source, phone, mixer, or instrument using the appropriate input. Make sure inputs are secure before powering anything on. You continue by routing and optimizing the signal chain. First, set input gain and master volume low with EQ flat. This prevents clipping when you raise levels. Then engage the source and slowly increase input gain until you see healthy signal without red lights. Use balanced cables for runs over 20 feet to avoid noise, and insert effects via send/return if your amp supports it. Make sure the output stage and speakers are matched, and mute channels when making major changes to avoid pops. You finish by bringing levels up gradually while walking the room to balance stereo imaging. Once tonal balance feels right, fine-tune EQ and compression for clarity. If you encounter hum, isolate by disconnecting sources, try the ground lift, and reroute cables away from power. For distortion, lower gain or confirm speaker impedance matches amplifier specs. When done, power down sources first, amp last, allowing cooling time. Finally, note your settings so you can reproduce the same sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.